Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the crypto enthusiast, in the crypto market, everything you need is the transparency and something innovative. That's why we are going to share here the V4 dashboard trade BlockDAG now that is live. For the limited time, presale is in the finishing global launch release. So what do you think about it? You can share your thoughts and you can get the link in my video description as well, because there you can get now the top ICO of 2025. This is $375 million plus presale, and there is also aiming to launch their BD with the Coinbase Germany. And this is really interesting with the V4, where you can get the signals, you can get the candles, and everything is very transparent. So now you can come to the interface if you want to join that. There is also, when you will come to the interface as dashboard, there is also a global launch release very soon. Coinbase Germany and crypto.com. You can get these type information, and there are new feature. If you want to check, there is also like TRADE BDA. This is the BlockDAG dashboard version 4, where you can check there is bar, line, area, and candlestick. There you can analyze, you can also choose how you are going to buy or sell. Each and everything in a simple zone. If you come on the home interface as dashboard, there are two types. By BTAT token, the remaining is just the 2.8 million. You can get BAT29. As I told in the last time, there are only 29 BAT. This is the final stage. You can get here Ethereum reward limited time. You can also choose here Ethereum, USD, or BNB for the next experience to buy the token. There is three type, like BlockDAG X10 miner. There is BlockDAG X30 and X1 owned it. You can choose total number of mine soul, and there you can also check how it works. Here you can invite your friends to by getting the referral link to. As I told you that there is a big update. Here you can check candlestick, there is bar, there is kill line, and you can also check easily. There are also different using currency. You can choose to be a part of the member, and their next detail is about here. Like there is return on investment, mean ROI. There you can also check if you have your 1 LANC token in your wallet, and there will be amount. And 64% there is slider. And if you come on the next interface, there is TF releases. What the dev admin think about Deviant? What are the next update? You can even check there is they are going to participate in this competition. You can start your win battle. This video is for educational purpose, so if you are going to participate before that, you can do your research on. So there next is about to referral, where you can invite your friends, and you can also check the leaderboard. Top team will get some extra reward. So there is achievement too. If you come to get, there are achievement, their point as XP, and next you can check BlockDAG. There you can get the highest ICO with the top level trusted transparent security. There is three type of audit has been completed by the BTAG. They are now having a professional team making strategy to list this token on 15 plus top tier and US exchange. You can download the application from Google Play Store. You can get the attributes too. For the next update, you can join yourself with the community on all the social media link. And there is keynote, some news articles, and some blogger videos, so be ready to join the spot. And next you can also check how their best update V4 is now available. All these functions are operational, mean working now perfectly. You can follow them on the social media link, BlockDAG Network, where you can get the updates. You can check here the best network on Discord. There is also Instagram. as well, where you can check how you are going to grab here. And there are all these insights on the time so you can be a part of it. Thanks for watching. See you next video.